Last year I had the chance to visit my family in San Juan, Puerto Rico, and man did I miss that place. It's amazing how a single place can unlock so many memories and make you feel right at home. One thing I'm really excited to show you is what I brought back. This is my father's Spanish guitar. He got it when he was a teenager, and I remember playing it when I first started learning guitar back in 3rd grade. At that time, this thing felt massive. I could barely wrap my fingers around the fingerboard. Inside, there's a stamp that says Prudencio Saez. Naturally, I looked them up, and guess what? They're still around building guitars. They are now in their 3rd generation of ownership, continuing the same family traditions. Let's see what it currently sounds like. This guitar has taught me something valuable. When you build something with love, it can withstand the test of time. No matter how worn out or forgotten it gets, there's always a way to breathe new life into it. I honestly thought this guitar was lost forever, but somehow it found its way back to me. It's not perfect, and that's okay. Life isn't perfect either, and that's something we all have to accept. We all have our own journeys filled with moments of stress, anxiety, or unhappiness. The key is to keep moving forward and trust that things will work out in their own way.